Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, first I will introduce myself. My name is Siska Amelia. You can call me Miss Siska, okay?
Okay, Miss.
So, before we learn, I have ice drinking to check your focus. If I say good morning, clap once. If I say good afternoon, clap twice. If I say good night, don't clap. Understood?
Understood.
Okay, let's begin. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. Good afternoon. Good morning. Okay, you already focused now. So, this is the quotes about the topic. Since the world is constantly changing, we need to describe change. This will allow us to predict the future. So, what do you think about this picture? Okay, this is steep staircase. Then, what do you think about this picture?
Hill.
Yeah, that is slope of a hill. Words like steep and slope are used to describe objects that are not perfectly flat or perfectly upright. The slope of an object may be steep or gradual. So how we can graphing a line with no slope and a point?
Don't know, Miss.
Okay, don't know. So then how we can graphing a line if known equation in Poisson form? Don't know, okay?
Don't know.
Okay, don't know. So tomorrow we already learned about graphing line using 2 points. So now we learn about graphing line using a point slope form, a slope and a point and equation in Poisson form. So the slope of a line is the same whichever of the coordinate is labeled x sub 1, y sub 1 or x sub 2, y sub 2. Make sure to subtract the y coordinates and the x coordinates in the same order. The slope of a line is content throughout any segment on the line. This is the formula of the slope. Slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 1 minus x sub 2. Understood, guys?
Understood, Miss.
Okay, so the formula of the slope is vertical change divided by horizontal change. Same as change in y divided by change in x. Same as rise divided by run. I have a story about this topic, about graphing a line. The story named Chocolate, a pink pig. A little pig named Chocolate loved to explore. One day, he decided to climb the famous chocolate hill in his village. This hill has a variety of terrains, ranging from flat roads to steep slopes. Okay, next part from the story. Who want to read this part? Okay, what's your name?
My name is Shiva Lutfiah, Miss.
Okay, Siva, please read the story.
Chocolate started her climb from the foot of the hill. The road is quite steep up here. The higher the chocolate climbs, the steeper the path becomes. This depicts a positive slope. The more to the right we move on the graph, the more the y value or height also increases.
Okay, good job. Give a plus. So next part, who want to read this part? Okay, what's your name?
My name is Nurahmanida, Miss.
Okay, Nurahmanida, please read.
After reaching the top, Chocolate decided to slide down. This downhill road is very steep. The faster the chocolate slides, the lower it will be. This depicts a negative slope. The more to the right we move on the graph, the less the y value height decreases.
Okay, good job, Nida. Please read plus. Okay, next part, who want to read this part?
Me,
What's your name?
Siva Unisa.
Okay, Shifa Unisha, please read.
While riding, Chocolate found a very wide and flat plane in the middle of the hill. Chocolate walked leisurely on the plane. This plane depicts a slope of 0. The line depicting this plane will be horizontal, meaning that the y value does not change even if the x value change.
Okay, good job, Siva Unisha. Give a plus. part. Okay, after passing through the plane, chocolate found a very steep and almost vertical cliff. Chocolate was very afraid to climb the cliff. This cliff depicts an undefined slope. The line depicting this cliff will be vertical, meaning we cannot determine its slope because the change in the value of x is 0. Okay, so the first topic we learn about graphing a line using slope and a point. For example, look at this example. Graph the line which passes through 0, 1 whose slope is 1, 9. Okay. So the first point in here 0, 1. So because the slope is 1, 9, rise is 1, run is 9. So we move 1 unit up. Why up? Because this is 1 is positive. So go to up 1 unit. And then we go to right 9 units from the first point. So we get the second point on 9, 2. So grab the line from the first point, go to the second point. Like this. From first point to second point. Understood, guys?
Understood.
Okay, next example. Grab the line which passes to 8, 8 whose slope is -5, -4. Look at this. This is the first point, and then we go to down. Why down? Because negative number, -5. So we go to left 4 units because negative number, -4. And then we get the second point on 4, 3. Then draw the line from the first point, go to the second point, like this. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, this is the exercise from the platform named is EXL. The question is graph the line that has a slope of 1/3 and it includes the point 0, 8. Who want to answer this part?
Me.
Okay, come forward. Where the first point? 0, 8. Where? Okay, here. And then slope is 1/3. Move 1 unit. Up or down? Up. Then 2 unit. 1, 2, 3. Here?
Yes.
Okay, let's check the question. Okay, good job. Give applause. Okay, next to the topic. Next topic. Graphing a line given an occasion in point sub form. Don't forget about this formula. X and y in here, keep them as variables. And x sub 1, y sub 1 as coordinate of known point. And then m in here as slope of the line. Look at this. We have an equation y minus 3 equals to x minus 1. Based on formula, from this formula, so we have m or slope of the line is 2. Don't forget if we have 2 divided by 1 or 2, 1. So then x sub 1 from the formula and the equation, we have x sub 1 is 1 and then y sub 1 is 3. So we have the first point on 1, 3. Okay? For example, grab the line from this equation. Y plus 2 equals 3 for x plus 5. So we get from the formula we have the slope is 3/4, and then we have the x sub 1 is negative 5, y sub 1 is negative 2. So we have the first point on negative 5, comma negative 2. So this is the first point. Because the slope is 3/4, rise is 3, so we move 3 units up and then 4 units right, because same is positive. So we have the second point on here in the point of negative 1, comma 1. So line grab the line from the first point to the second point, like this. Understood, guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay, for exercise, look at this equation from EXL. Grab this line. Y minus 7 equals negative 4, x plus 4. Who want to answer this question? Okay, Nida, come forward. Where the first point? From this we have negative 4, comma 4, 7, because this 7. Okay? So we have the, what is the slope? Negative 4. Don't forget, if we have negative 4 divided by 1. So we go to up or down? Negative? Down, okay. 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to 1. We go to right, 1 move. 1 units, yeah. Because positive. Okay. Here. Let's check the question, the answer. Oh, incorrect. Yeah, we move 1 unit. Okay, not problem. Give a plus. Okay, we back to the presentation. So, I have a worksheet about the grabbing a line. So do with your seat buddies, both of you and both of you. Please discuss with your seat buddies. Okay. Okay. Finish, guys. Okay. Thank you. Please collect to me. Finished now, so we already learned about grabbing line using slope and a point and equation in point form. So thank you for today. I have you fun in mathematics. Then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.